So today we looked more at solving equations with algebra. And then we solved equations with a graph. That's what we practiced today. When we solve equations algebraically, we use inverse operations. What I'm talking about on 4.1's quick notes, we listed all those inverse operations. So if I'm square rooting, I would square it. I'm doing the opposite. Okay, and our goal is to always isolate the variable x or y or c or v or whatever you're solving for. Okay, we're going to look for a structure in the equation to solve efficiently. So look for structure in the equation. What I'm getting at is, does it have a square root? Is there something squared? Where is x stuck? Is it stuck in one of these things? We have a special way of solving if we have absolute value. Okay? We're looking for structure. And then just be careful when you've got a square root. You might have plus or minus. Okay? So when you square root, you might have a plus or minus of your variable at the end. Okay? The steps for graphing. Had 2x plus 1, and it equaled 3x plus 3. The first thing I would want to do is separate the equation into 2. And so I would make it y equals 2x plus 1 and y equals 3x plus 3. And then you're going to graph both. And what do we look for on the graph? Yeah, where they're going to both meet at the point of intersections. Okay? Video. Again, when we graph, we're looking for these specific points of intersection. So my answers to this equation would be x equals -2 and x equals 4. So we split. This equation used to be 1. We split them so they're both a y equals, and they're both things that we can graph. And we're looking for those points of intersections.